Elon Musk was calling me again, and now I have to, you know, like start a second video. Okay, this is part 2 of the adventure of the fall.
Beautiful.
It is. I found it. I found it. I found it. Give me a medal, please.
Yes.
Give me,
Yes.
give me
It's
something.
Totally your merit.
Give me a badge. All right. Oh my God! I'm anticipating to see. Are you guys ready? Are you anticipating? Are you hear the sound? Are you here? You already hear the sound. Aren't you curious to see the water
I
falling?
can't wait.
I
to
can't
see.
wait to look through this. Oh my God! I see it. I see. I saw it. Oh yeah.
Oh, I can see. Wow. It's so beautiful. Be careful. It's very slippery.
Wow, wow. Okay, now we are going through this thing here, guys. I want to show you. This is the famous Jožek approaching. The famous Jožek is approaching. The famous Jožek approaching.
Guys, it's unbelievable. I'm not sure the camera can actually capture that, especially our phone camera.
Okay, now famous Jožek. Go.
Everything looks too deep.
All right. We are excited. We are excited. Aren't you excited? Wow, the famous Jožek is excited.
Oh my God, so many waterfalls. It's not just one.
It's everywhere.
Look at these icicles and the...
Okay, with the camera cannot really show. Now I'm going to show you some. It's a symphony of water drops.
It's such a symphony. Show us your face.
The famous Jožek is here. All right. Now you see that, guys?
It's so beautiful.
Okay, that is the main waterfall. It falls in here in this lake. But no.
It doesn't look that high on camera for some reason.
Yeah, on camera doesn't look, but it is.
It is high, trust me.
But now guess what? That's not the end of it. There is another one over there. Now guess what? All right, there's another one.
Wow, look at this ice.
That is the grandmother of the waterfall. That is the baby over there. That's the grandmother of the waterfalls. And there's a little baby over there. Baby waterfall. All right, and then it goes down and down and down and down. And then, well, look at that. And there is a deck over there. You can go up there. Hello. You can go over there on the observation deck over there.
Yeah. But I doubt
Alright.
it's gonna be the same effect.
No, you
To
can.
watch it from watch it from not from the above, but from below. And it has
Well, it depends on if you have a big ego, you can look down on the waterfalls and you can go up there.
yeah.
Like for those with big ego, they should look from there. Look down on the waterfall and that's it pretty much. All right. Now,
I like it a lot.
by the way, there is another waterfall coming right now. It's not the same color. It's like
Думай, пожалуйста.
please do it in a such a way so only waterfall can be seen, okay?
Ёжик. Ёжик.
Do you see that waterfall too? No waterfall? All right, maybe that waterfall was not that powerful, right? We have to cut out this part of the movie.
Ёжик. Всё, снимай part 2.
Part 2. All right, this is actually part 2.
Okay. So make it part 3.
All right.
It's unbelievably beautiful. And the sound, view, the picture, the dynamic, everything just the way it's supposed to be. It reminded me of Niagara Falls, by the way.
Yeah. It's a miniature Niagara Falls.
No, but I like this idea of
Cascades.
Cascades. One waterfall turns into another,
Into another.
to another, and then
Into its mother.
they turn into
The grandmother
a
of the
river.
waterfall.
And I absolutely love the icicles. They look just like frozen castles. Upside down castles.
They are castles.